So the Career Strategy Workshop is an opportunity for professionals within the career services space in higher education to get some training and knowledge on how they can leverage on networks and information and strategies and processes, best practices within the industry to be able to roll out an effective one-year career development plan in a way that is sustainable, in a way that adds value to the institution.
The workshop has been such a huge eye-opener, and the networking has also been great because you get to meet people who are maybe facing pretty much similar challenges as you, but then we come together and brainstorm on ideas on how to address those challenges. It is not just a training, it's a workshop. You live with something tangible that will guide you going forward.
The highlight for me is the employer engagement. Yes, we do the HR workshop where we invite HR practitioners from all industry, but then there's no program to invite maybe everybody, other industry CEOs to come talk about and then give us feedback on what we do. So we'll put that in, and then we also said we're going to leverage on technology. So we would put all these things in place and then do better.
So one thing that I have realized after running this workshop, I discovered that we don't have what we call like the employment tracking record. If our students are graduating, we don't know how many have get job and how many are working in the area that they have started. But after going through to this workshop, I see like there is a system that we are going to use.
Today's session has been quite insightful and enlightening. It was very, very gratifying and fulfilling to just observe and hear Abigail share about how the career services support needs to be detailed and strategic. It's not, ad hoc activities or random activities that happen every now and then, but it's a well thought out strategy and plans of the different things that need to come together for this service to be effective and meaningful for the students.